Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today again I am here with another unique video. Today I will share how hackers automatically change IP address and location every 10 or 5 seconds on Kali Linux. I will share here full video tutorial. The ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals will change automatically their location IP address every time. Just see the process. I have shared here the every step. Just follow the step properly and you will do it. So don't be late. Go.